Want to combine photos together on iPhone? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily combine. First thing first, make sure to head over to your application shortcuts. Once you're in this page, head over to shortcuts and click on this plus icon. Click on this arrow icon and choose rename. Well, you can rename it here and set it to combine image. Now click on the search actions and then search for select photos. Choose this option. Once selected, now once again click on the search actions. And then you have to select combine photos. Click on this. Click on this arrow icon once again. Tap on spacing. You can select whichever way you want to combine the photo. Let me choose in a grid. Once you have selected, now once again click on the search action and search for save to photos. Click on it. Tap on add. Now once again click on this arrow icon in the section of select photos and then toggle on select multiple. Once it has been enabled, now all you gotta do is click on the share icon at the bottom of the page and then click on add to home screen. Choose the color for the home screen and then click on add. Well, the combined image bookmark has been added to home screen. Click on it. Choose any of the pictures that you want to combine it. Well, you can select multiple pictures. Let me select this. Once you're done selecting, click on add. Wait for a while. Now if you go and head over to your gallery or photo, you will be able to see that the photo has been combined together. So this is simply how you can combine photos on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.